up, my Crazy Dog fans? So, I didn't really know what to do for a video, so I thought we would make an unboxing video. I got Loot Crate. I got 1 month of it so far, and I got the box right here, and I thought we'll unbox it together. So, let's see what we get. No. So let's see what we get. So this month's theme was build, as you can see. Focus.
Ha! Gay!
Okay, it's build. And the first thing at the top is this. It says Secret Order of Keys, unlock the mysteries. And underneath it we have some support stuff. But actually, for the first thing where's my knife? For the first thing we actually have is actually this what's it called? You know the game where you'd stack it up, like it'll be like that, and you'll stack it up? And I think they can actually separate, yeah they can. So you can actually fully separate them. That's pretty cool. For the second thing, we actually have Lego Dimensions, which I actually don't play, so I wouldn't actually use this, but from the Lego movie, it's Benji and his spaceship, as you can see. And I'll open it up for you guys. Why do I keep losing my knife? So this is actually pretty cool. It's actually quite a bit of Lego. All this Lego for the starship, which I probably won't build actually. Oh, actually for the next one, we're gonna go to the next one now. We actually have something from Batman. It says a food container. Actually, well, this is actually really cool. It's a Batman mask, and I think the head comes off. Yeah, by screwing it, and it has this little thing how to use it and stuff. But yeah, this is actually pretty cool. It's just a Batman container. Okay, moving on. And last and for not least, we actually have the, oh no, this actually isn't last. We actually have a t-shirt, which is actually pretty dope, which is from the new Power Rangers, I think. Let's try and get a review. From the new Power Rangers, this looks like a blueprint. Just put it there. And the final thing, which we have, is this pin. Which is Power Rangers as well, I think. Is it the t-shirt? Yeah, it is the t-shirt. See, this is the t-shirt. Wait, this is the t-shirt. And this is the pin. It's the same guy. Okay, but yeah, that's everything. Okay, so yeah, this is everything. Actually, I think I'll make the box because you can actually, the boxes actually be able to make into something. So we have this, which is like a little robot, and I'll just make it real quick.
"2,000 years later."
So after ages, guys, we have finally built what is called the Loot Bot, and it's actually pretty cool, actually.